At stateelectric.com, our shopping list tool is an efficient and reordering tool and a great replenishment template. A saved shopping list can be ordered multiple times, and you can easily organize groups of products by job, work site, material type, and more. Adding a product to your shopping list is very easy. You will first search the object that you would like to add into a list. Once you find this product, simply click into the product detail page, and from here you'll see a button that says Add to Shopping List. Pressing this button will bring up a list of your current shopping lists, and if you need to, you can create a new one from this page. Once the items have been added to your shopping list and you would like to view them, you can find them under the My Account tab in your header, as seen here, or under the Ordering Tools tab on the My Account page, as seen here. Once in the shopping list page, you will be able to see any of your current lists. You will be able to view these lists, edit the lists, or delete the list entirely. When viewing a list, you can see all the current items that have been placed under this list from the product detail pages. If you only need to add one or two items, please choose those using the select keys seen here. If instead you would like to add all items in the current shopping list, scroll down to the bottom of your page and select Check All. This ensures that every item that is in the shopping list will be added to cart when you're ready. You want to double check and make sure that the quantities that you would like to add are correct. Once the quantities are all correct, press Add to Cart. Clicking the Add to Cart button will proceed to load all the items into your cart and take you out to the cart page. From here you can double check and make sure that the quantities are correct and that the items themselves are all present on the page.